Hi, my name is Jeffrey Haddix, and we're going to discuss today some signs and symptoms of drug and alcohol use. Now, we know from the 80s that First Lady Nancy Reagan kicked off this program, Just Say No, and it worked fairly well for a few years. But as you know, we always need to update and move, and things change. So we need to change with the times. First of all, I'd like you to keep in mind that federal regulations state any person authorized to require a covered employee to take a reasonable suspicion DOT test must have been trained in the signs and symptoms. There are 5 classes of drug and alcohol for DOT tests. They test for marijuana, cocaine, amphetamines, opioids, phencyclidine, and alcohol. Some of the physical indicators to the physical aspect of some of the drugs. Some of them affect you differently. Some affect you, at mild symptoms. Some are drastic, but some of them are change in appetite and eating habits. Some drugs cause you to want to eat more. Some cause you not to want to eat at all. You develop a runny nose, sweaty hands, and a lack of coordination. And sometimes they affect, they have some behavior indicators, and change in attitude. You go from very polite, very easygoing, and you turn into a person that's angry or mad or upset all the time. A person that's never argumentative becomes argumentative, and they change the way they groom themselves and their hygiene. They become dirty, don't take a shower, just a few of the things. They become paranoid or have paranoia episodes, forgetfulness, and resentful behavior. Some even have speech indicators you can look for, things that are like slurred speech, confusion, incapable of driving, and nonsensical patterns. And they have some performance indicators as well. Inability to concentrate, fatigue, lack of motivations, and slowed reactions. Marijuana is a depressant. It's lack of motivation. Sometimes you get into depression. Not to speak too personally, but I have a family member who's known to have smoked a lot of marijuana in her days and is extremely depressed, and it has affected her physically, mentally, and emotionally in ways I could have never thought it has, but it has. Your eyes become red, glassy, your impaired memory, she can't remember 1 minute from the next, and errors in judgment, difficulty concentrating, just a whole gamut of problems. Cocaine, your eyes, your pupils are dilated. You have a runny nose, talkative, impaired sight, dry mouth, difficulty to concentrate. Been in law enforcement as well, can recognize a lot of these signs. People are just all over the place all the time, never stop running, and then they crash when they finally come down off of it. Amphetamines as well. Dry mouth, dilated pupils, impaired sight, increased self-esteem, think they can rule the world, inability to concentrate, and headaches. Phencyclidine, speech difficulty, hallucinations, agitation, convulsions, panic attacks, incoordination. I don't know much about phencyclidine. I need to really research that a whole lot more. I haven't dealt with it in law enforcement fashion, and opiates, agitation, anxiety, tremors, muscle aches, pains, vomiting, and diarrhea are some of the side effects of using opiates. And of course, we know alcohol. You have a very short attention span, slowed reactions, violent behavior. Some people more than others. It affects people differently in different ways. Definitely a lack of coordination, impaired driving abilities, extreme. That's one of the more damaging effects of it. Seen it many times over the years. And slurred speech. It's classic sign of someone who's been drinking. I've drank a lot. And that's where I'm going to end this session right now. So I hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.